Hello everyone, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. I'm here to share this week's Thrifty goodies. This is Thrifty Tuesday, and so these items are from a few different sources: Goodwill, Salvation Army, Dollar Tree. So I'll just get started. Let's see. Let's just dig right in. This I think I got at Goodwill. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I don't know if I just pulled this out because I want to do something with it. It's it could be a neat little journal. It's not new looking. It looks like it's been around for a while. It says passport right here. I thought that could be a neat little journal, you know, like a little mini journal. And you've got all these built-in pockets here. So I don't know. I'm going to see what I can do with this, even though it's not like the greatest thing in the world. I think it could be something really cute. So I'm going to see what I can do with that. Anyway, off to the next thing. These I picked up at, and I opened one because I wanted to see what they were. I just thought they were cute. I got these at Dollar Tree. It says pure baking soda, over 100 helpful household hints. And so I like the cover. And then the pages are just, you know, they're just white, so they could be coffee dyed if I wanted to possibly take them out. They're not, they're a little tiny bit glossy, but not super glossy, you know, so I think they can be coffee dyed pretty easily if I wanted to, you know, age them and distress them. But just, you know, kind of would be a cute thing to use in a cookbook journal. Some of these pages, and maybe even make some ephemera out of them. Let's see what we can make ephemera out of real quick here. Copyright is 2007. See, like, here's a box of baking soda here. Let's see what else is in here. Here's, I mean, they're black and white, but that would make them look more old, especially if they're coffee dyed. Here's a lady in the kitchen. Let's see what else we have. I haven't really looked through. Here's some little... Okay, some little cards that look like recipe cards, but they're ingredients for what you can make with baking soda. So there's another one there, and there's quite a few pictures in here, and those little card-looking things. Here's the using baking soda in the bathroom. So yeah. So I didn't know what they were, and I was like, these could be really cute. So I just got 3 of them. Went ahead and got 3 of them to use. So those I picked up. Well, let's look at the ribbons. These are all brand new. They've still got the plastic on them. This one doesn't have the plastic on it, and it's coming apart, but there's a lot on here. And it's taped down here. It could be new. It just maybe doesn't have the plastic on it. So it's taped down. I just want to show you the pattern on here. It's really cute because they had more ribbon, but I only got the ones that I liked best. So this is light blue with a little like green, almost looks like stitching on the bottom and top of it. So it looks like grosgrain with that green on the top and the bottom. And it, you know, like I said, kind of looks like stitching. So I thought that was really cute and pretty. And there's a lot on there. And that was, I think these were like 49 cents each, so cheap. Let me see if there's a price on any of them. There's not a price on them, but I think they were 49 cents each. So these two are the same. This one is, I hope you can see it. It's got plastic over it, but I think maybe you can see. It's like a green, kind of like a gingham. But it's like a kind of it almost has a homespun look to it, if you know what I mean. So it's like not a dark green, but kind of a medium green and white gingham. And it has that homespun look. So I thought that would really be pretty on tags or the edge of a page. So I like that a lot. And this has the same look too. It's red and white gingham. It's a little thicker, you know, or wider, but it has that same homespun look. If you could see, it's like almost like, it's kind of an off-white and red instead of really super white. So kind of that homespun look. I'm trying to see if it says anything about anything on here. Yeah, I can't really, I don't have no idea where it came from. It does say harvest, so that could be a clue as to why it's more homespun for a fall type of look. But does this one say harvest on it? Sweet Petites, no, this one doesn't, but it does have that homespun look. So I like those. And then this one too. This is more of a houndstooth, but it's, I believe it's, what is it? It's, I'm trying to see what color. The color is so, I believe it's green and white, but the color is deceiving here in this room right now in the light I have. But I believe that is green and white, and it's wide. So I thought that would be great for pockets, and there's a ton on here. So I have pockets galore to make with this, and it's, you know, I think that's vintage looking with the houndstooth, so I like that one a lot. I've never seen, I don't know if I've ever seen wide ribbon like that at it was at a thrift store. It was at, this one was at Salvation Army. Oh, it came from Christmas tree shops if you have those around you. We have one in Greensboro. I never go there, but we do have one. So I've been there though. It's pretty cool. It's a cool place. I just don't go there. Just it's just they have a lot of stuff. I probably would spend too much money if I went there. So I want to open this up and see what this paper feels like. It is computer stationery. It's brand new. I don't know why. I don't know why people buy computer stationery and they don't use it. But yeah, I'll take it off your hands. So this is, okay, so this is, I want to see what it feels like. Yeah, it feels like all the rest. It's just kind of like copy paper, maybe a little bit thick copy paper. It's white. I want to see if it was white or like cream colored on the back. It is white. So what I do, you know, if you've watched my videos, and it's like it's greenish here, and it looks almost like my spritz when I spritz paper. It might look blue. It might be blue. It looks blue in the camera, but it looks green here in my room. But I could spritz green or blue on the back, whatever color that is. And I could do, and it has green leaves, so green or blue, or even coffee dye. See all this, you know, neutral colors around there with the stone. Could, coffee dye would look good too. So, and there's a bunch of it. I don't know if I've ever gotten a pack this thick before. Let's see, there's a piece on the back here. Show you what it looks like. What did that say? Does this have a name? It's called, well, it doesn't really have a name to it or anything. Secret Garden. Okay, that's cool. Secret Garden. There you go. I was wondering, because I was wondering what the stone, you know, little entryway here was all about. So, Secret Garden. That's cool, right? For journals. Perfect. Okay, so the other few things that I got, this was at Salvation Army, believe it or not. I got this because I want to take it apart. I debated on whether I should get it, but I had to get it because of this little whisk right here. I was like, this would be a perfect little thing to put in a tassel on our cookbook journal, wouldn't it? Like, you know, can you just see it? And I can put a little jump ring on here and hang it from, you know, I use notebook rings on the top of my my tassels, so I could put a little jump ring on here and hang that off the side of a cookbook journal. I thought that would be perfect. There is a piece of cinnamon in here, but let's just take it apart right now. This is glued. I don't know if I can get it all apart right now, but this is a little kind of a resin little girl here with a sunflower on her, so I hopefully can do something with her, maybe on a cover. She'd be great on a little sunflower type themed journal. She's coming off. I kind of, yeah, she's almost coming off. There she goes. Yeah, see, she's just glued on with like a hot glue gun, that looks like. But isn't she cute? And she's got a little book. Oh, it says seeds in her hand. She's probably got a bag of seeds there, sunflower seeds. It's got a little tiny sunflower on the bag right there. And she's got a sunflower on her hat. So super cute. And then this fabric, that same homespun look really as that ribbon I just showed you, the green. And it's got like, you know, it's almost like coffee dye color, kind of a tan color in the square, you know, not white instead of white. It's got that homespun look. So I can just open up this bag after I get this burlap or this twine off of here. And I thought I would use this bag. I can throw this in the washer even. I think there's potpourri, or what is in here? It feels like just some straw or something like that, you know, filler. But I'll throw that out, that filler. This I don't know. It still smells like cinnamon. Isn't that weird? Maybe it's not that old. And anyway, I can use this in a journal, like as a pocket, or, you know, maybe even make a flip or something out of it. But I just like that as the fabric. So, yeah, the whole thing was 99 cents. So I got all those pieces to use in my journals. So that was cool. And I kind of would like to open this and see what this is. I think these are neat. I kind of did pull one out, but I didn't pull them all out yet. There's this little, it's like a little zipper pouch here, very thick. And it's got even a little marker in here. Oh, these are, okay. These are dry erase. That's interesting. Okay, and so they are, see, these could be used as pockets or journaling spots. You can use a dry erase marker. I wonder if it still works. Here it is, dry erase marker. And I guess these are for kids to practice their letters, of course. But there's little pictures, little creatures, zebra, fox, volcano, rabbits, rabbits. Oh, there's a quilt. Isn't that cute? And a quail. Okay, cool. Raspberries for the R. Okay, I get it. I get it. Zipper, yarn. So there's two things for each. Fox and a box. Wheel and a water wheel, or where it's a waterfall, but I was looking for waterfall. It's water and a wheel, no fall. Violin and a volcano. Sorry to go through every one. I just think these are interesting. Ship and a snail, panda and popcorn. Cute. Owl and orange. I've never seen anything like this. Maybe if you're a teacher, you maybe have seen these before, but I have not, or you have little kids. My kids are big, so nest, nuts, moose, cute, money, kitty cat, panda, or koala, ladybug, a cute one, leaves, a pumpkin, and jam. Well, these are really super cute. I really like these. So glad I got them. And these will be really fun. Horse house, giraffe, grapes, frog, flower, elephant, eagle, dolphin, duck, cow, cupcake, and bee, bee journal, beach ball, and astronaut and apple. So cute. Wow. I'm so glad I got those. Those are awesome. I love those. So fun. You never know what you're going to find in a thrift store, right? Okay, so this, I picked it up as a coloring book. And it's actually coloring postcards. So, and I thought they were neat. Let me show you. They're postcards, so these are actually really thick cardstock. Thicker than usual, it seems. But they could be really pretty after they're colored with whatever you like to color with, the markers or colored pencils or whatever, or even maybe some paint, I don't know. But these are all kind of like flowery and things like that. And they have little, you know, quotes or whatever on them. It says love and friendship, adventures in ink and inspiration. So really, I thought these were really neat. And these would be fun to use in journals, and something I do have some, but they're not quite this extensive as far as this nice postcard on the back. There's even butterflies back here on the back and a heart. So that those could even be colored. And then if you want to use it as a journaling card, you've got all this room to write, and then all that fun, you know, artwork you can do on this side. So when I wait to see you again, my breath is too shy to wait. Too shy to wait two. Okay. Anyway, it's hard to read through the print there for the coloring. Okay, so 2 more things. This is a book I got at a yard sale. I'm smelling it because it was really kind of very musty when I got it, and I took it outside and laid it on my back porch on the table, which is a covered back porch, so it didn't get rained on. I don't think it rained while I was out there anyway. But I sprayed some deodorizer on it, but I got it because I thought the pages were really neat. It's like a children's. See, this is colored pages. Yeah, colored pages. This was my friend that owns the mom and pop vintage store here in my little town. She was having a yard sale. I went into her shop and she said, I'm having a yard sale. And I was looking at something and I was like, I forgot all about it. I was like, it was like she said squirrel, and I just like, yard sale? Where's a yard sale? And I just like, okay, where do you live? And I just left. I forgot what I was even looking at. Like she said squirrel and I was gone, you know what I mean? So it was pretty funny. And now I'm like, she hasn't been open since then, or I haven't been able to get back there when she's open. So there was something I was looking at, and now I'm like, I hope it's still there when I get back, because I really wanted to look at that. But she said yard sale, and I was out the door. So anyway, all I got there was I showed a couple weeks ago yardsticks, and I forgot to show you this, I guess, because I was deodorizing it. But really neat little, look at this, retro vintage pages, so cute to use in journals. I mean, these are awesome. Even the ones with just words are just so cool because it's an English book. Let's look for a little bit of writing here. This belonged to someone. It doesn't really smell too much anymore, though. I have to put it right up to my nose to smell any mustiness. 1955 is the latest date. 1955. So this is an old oldie. Really cute, though. I love it. I'm so glad I got it, even though it was stinky when I got it. It's smelling better now. So this is, I got this one at Salvation Army. This is the A to Z No Cook cookbook. No stoves, no oven. Lots of fun. And it's a children's cookbook. And you see it's got recipes for each letter. So, oh yeah, A to Z. Okay, I get it. So like I is ice cream. So it says no cook. What does it say? No stoves, no oven. Lots of fun. So nice big pages that I can fold in half that way or this way. And or like the one that, like the book that Maria sent me, you could cut them in half too. As long as you don't mind, you know, see what's on the other side. If you can cut both sides in half and not cut anything off that you don't want to cut off, right? So, and this really colorful little graphics here. Vintage and retro looking, really cute. Great for a cookbook, journal, or any journal, really. Eclectic. Oh, look at this. So pretty, right? Putting those neat, cute tags or journaling cards. Really neat. The herbs. Are there herbs in the front too? Oh, these are just little. Oh, these are definitions for the different utensils. So an ice cream scoop for scooping ice cream. Hello. Yep. So cute. So oh, let's see what year. This is a golden book, by the way. And let's look for a copyright. I don't know if I looked for one in here yet. 1974. Huh. Isn't that neat? They did some awesome graphics in the 70s, I have to say. I have to say. I love the 70s graphics. Okay, that's it for this week. Sorry about that glare there. And I will see you next time. Happy crafting and happy thrifting.